Most people rarely think about their kidneys, even though these two small organs are working every single minute of the day to keep the body clean and balanced. The kidneys are responsible for filtering the blood, removing waste products, excess water, and harmful toxins that the body does not need. They also play a major role in regulating blood pressure, balancing minerals like sodium and potassium, and even supporting bone health by activating certain vitamins. In many ways, the kidneys act as the body's internal purification system. The problem is that kidney issues often develop very quietly. In the early stages, there is usually no pain, no strong warning signs, and no obvious symptoms. Many people continue their daily lives without realizing that their kidney function is slowly declining. By the time symptoms appear, such as swelling, extreme fatigue, or abnormal blood test results, the damage is often already serious. As we grow older, kidney function naturally starts to slow down. This is a normal part of aging, but modern lifestyle factors make the situation worse. Processed foods, sugary drinks, lack of physical activity, chronic stress, dehydration, and long-term use of medications all put extra pressure on the kidneys. Conditions such as diabetes and high blood pressure, which are very common after the age of 40, further increase the risk of kidney damage. This is why supporting kidney health becomes extremely important, especially for people over 40 or 50. The goal is not to wait until a problem appears, but to protect the kidneys early so they can continue working efficiently for many years. The good news is that you do not need extreme detox drinks, harsh cleanses, or expensive treatments. The body already has a powerful natural detox system, and the kidneys are a central part of it. What the body really needs is proper nutritional support. Certain essential vitamins can gently help the kidneys function better, reduce inflammation, flush toxins more efficiently, and protect kidney cells from long-term damage. When we say a fasted detox, we do not mean overnight miracles. We mean starting the natural healing process immediately, in a safe and gentle way. In this video, we will explore 6 powerful vitamins that can naturally support kidney detox and overall wellness, especially for seniors and adults over 40. If you often feel swelling in your feet, constant fatigue, or unexplained brain fog, this information is especially important for you. Why kidney detox is important for seniors. As the body ages, every system becomes slightly less efficient, including the kidneys. The kidneys filter blood more slowly, which means waste products remain in the bloodstream for a longer time. This can slowly affect the entire body. People may start to feel tired more often, experience swelling in the legs, ankles, or face, lose appetite, develop mental fog, or notice frequent infections. Many seniors also take multiple medications for conditions such as blood pressure, cholesterol, pain, or diabetes. Most medications are processed and removed from the body through the kidneys. Over time, this increases the workload on the kidneys and makes them more vulnerable to damage. When the kidneys are under constant pressure, toxins can begin to build up in the blood. This creates a feeling of heaviness in the body, low energy levels, poor digestion, and reduced mental clarity. The immune system may also become weaker because waste products interfere with normal cellular function. Kidney detox is not about forcing the body to flush aggressively or using extreme methods. In fact, harsh detox approaches can sometimes do more harm than good. True kidney detox is about supporting the kidneys gently so they can perform their natural job more efficiently. This is where vitamins play a very important role. How vitamins support kidney function. Vitamins support kidney health in several important ways. They help repair and protect kidney cells from daily wear and tear. The kidneys are constantly exposed to toxins, waste products, and oxidative stress, which can slowly damage their delicate structures. Certain vitamins act as antioxidants, meaning they neutralize harmful molecules that damage cells. Vitamins also improve blood circulation. Healthy blood flow ensures that the kidneys receive enough oxygen and nutrients to function properly. When circulation is poor, kidney tissues do not receive what they need, and detox processes become slower and less efficient. Many vitamins also reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the main causes of long-term kidney damage. When inflammation is controlled, kidney tissues remain healthier and more resilient. Vitamins are not medicines, and they do not cure kidney disease. But they act as protective tools. They help maintain healthy kidney tissue, prevent further decline, and support the body's natural detox pathways. Over time, this can make a meaningful difference in how well the kidneys perform. Vitamin D supports kidney cells and calcium balance. Vitamin D has a very special and unique relationship with the kidneys. The kidneys are responsible for converting vitamin D into its active form, which the body can actually use. This means that healthy kidneys are necessary for proper vitamin D levels, and proper vitamin D levels are necessary for healthy kidneys. Vitamin D plays a major role in regulating calcium and phosphorus in the body. These minerals are essential for strong bones, but when they are not balanced, they can also damage the kidneys. Excess calcium can contribute to kidney stones and long-term tissue damage. Vitamin D also reduces inflammation and supports immune function. Low vitamin D levels are extremely common in seniors and are linked to weak bones, poor immunity, fatigue, muscle weakness, and declining kidney function. When vitamin D levels are balanced, kidney cells are better protected from damage, blood pressure becomes more stable, and the risk of chronic kidney problems is reduced. Natural sources of vitamin D include sunlight exposure, eggs, and fatty fish, but many people also rely on supplements, especially those who spend most of their time indoors. Vitamin C, natural antioxidant for kidney detox. Vitamin C is one of the most powerful natural antioxidants in the human body. It protects cells from oxidative stress, which is caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage tissues and accelerate aging. For the kidneys, oxidative stress is especially harmful because kidney tissues are constantly exposed to toxins and waste products. Over time, this stress weakens kidney structures and reduces filtering efficiency. Vitamin C supports kidney detox by strengthening the immune system, reducing inflammation, and helping the body flush toxins through urine. It also strengthens blood vessels, which improves blood flow to the kidneys and enhances their ability to clean the blood. However, vitamin C should always be used in balanced amounts. Very high doses may increase the risk of kidney stones in some people. This risk usually applies to very high supplement doses, often above 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams per day. This is why vitamin C is safest when taken in moderation and ideally from natural food sources such as citrus fruits, berries, and vegetables. Vitamin E protects kidney tissue from damage. Vitamin E plays a protective role in kidney health by acting as a shield for kidney cells. It stabilizes cell membranes and prevents oxidative damage that slowly destroys tissues. Vitamin E also reduces inflammation, which is one of the main contributors to kidney degeneration. When inflammation is controlled, kidney tissues remain stronger and more resistant to long-term stress. Another important role of vitamin E is improving blood circulation. Better circulation ensures that kidney cells receive enough oxygen and nutrients to function properly. Natural sources of vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. Studies suggest that vitamin E may help slow the progression of kidney damage in people with chronic kidney conditions by supporting cellular repair and reducing oxidative stress. Vitamin B6 helps remove waste from the blood. Vitamin B6 plays a key role in protein metabolism. Protein breakdown creates waste products that must be removed from the body through the kidneys. When this process is inefficient, waste accumulates in the blood and increases kidney stress. Vitamin B6 helps the body process these waste products more effectively, reducing the burden on the kidneys. One of the most important benefits of vitamin B6 is its ability to reduce oxalate levels in the body. Oxalates are compounds that can form kidney stones when they accumulate. High oxalate levels increase the risk of painful stone formation and kidney blockage. By controlling oxalates, vitamin B6 supports smoother detox and reduces the risk of kidney stones. Natural food sources include bananas, potatoes, and chickpeas. Vitamin B9 of folate supports blood flow and detox pathways. Vitamin B9, also known as folate, is essential for healthy cell growth and regeneration. Kidney tissues are constantly renewing themselves, and without enough folate, this repair process becomes slower and weaker. Folate also reduces homocysteine levels in the blood. High homocysteine damages blood vessels, reduces circulation, and increases inflammation. Poor circulation directly affects kidney function because the kidneys rely on strong blood flow to filter waste effectively. By improving blood circulation, folate ensures that the kidneys receive enough oxygen and nutrients to perform detox efficiently. Natural sources of folate include leafy green vegetables, lentils, and avocados. Folate also supports liver detox pathways. The liver and kidneys work together as a detox team. When the liver processes toxins efficiently, the kidneys can remove them more easily. Vitamin B12 boosts energy and protects kidney cells. Vitamin B12 is essential for red blood cell production, nerve function, and metabolic health. Many people with kidney issues suffer from low B12 levels, which leads to fatigue, weakness, dizziness, and poor concentration. Vitamin B12 improves oxygen delivery to tissues, including the kidneys. This supports cellular energy production and protects kidney cells from oxidative stress. Vitamin B12 also supports detox processes by improving metabolism and waste removal. Natural sources include eggs, dairy products, and fortified foods. Balanced B12 levels help seniors feel more energetic, mentally sharp, and physically stronger while also protecting kidney tissues from long-term damage. Lifestyle habits that enhance kidney detox. Vitamins work best when combined with healthy lifestyle habits. Drinking enough water is one of the most important factors for kidney detox. Water helps flush waste products through urine and prevents toxin buildup in the blood. Reducing salt intake lowers blood pressure and reduces kidney stress. Limiting processed foods and sugar reduces inflammation and toxin exposure. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation, which enhances kidney filtration. Proper sleep allows the body to repair tissues and regulate hormones that affect kidney health. When these habits are combined with the right vitamins, the kidneys receive consistent, gentle support. The kidneys are silent heroes of the body. They work day and night to keep the blood clean, balance fluids, regulate blood pressure, and protect overall health. Yet they are often ignored until serious problems appear. By supporting your body with the right 6 vitamins, you can help your kidneys function more efficiently, reduce toxin buildup, improve energy levels, and protect long-term wellness. Kidney detox does not require extreme methods. It requires consistency, proper nutrition, and healthy daily habits. If you are over 40, which of these vitamins surprised you the most? Small changes made today can protect your kidneys for years to come. This content is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplements or making major changes to your health routine.